guys? It is Casey from Casey's Customs. Today we are going to be priming the wrap Porsche is what I've been calling it. When I first started on this, I said I was going to do a build series. You know, here's part one, I was putting it on chassis, here's part two, blah, blah, blah. But that kind of all went out the window whenever I got busy this summer. Obviously, I still made a bunch of progress on it, I just haven't been documenting it very well. There's a couple videos like building the roll cage and just kind of doing random stuff here and there, but I haven't really done a set, you know, building of the Porsche. So what I'm trying to do is kind of get that on track a little bit better to see, you know, as it goes from just sitting out in the field to being completed. And today we are going to be priming it. I've pretty much got all the cracks fixed in the fiberglass, any little nicks and stuff. What I'm going to do is tape off everything that needs to be taped off. Scuff everything down that still needs done. I know the headlight brackets need scuffed down. It'd be nice to see it all in one color. I've actually never really even had it in one color since I've owned it. And it's going to be gray primer, but it'll at least be one color, which is going to be good. So let's get to sanding, taping off, and painting. Taped off, got it all masked off around the wheels. When I'm spraying, I'm just going to be cool around here. I just want to get the top sprayed, not everything. But she is ready to go. Finally be in one color. Even ugly primer gray, it's nice to be in one color. Painting, got it all done. It's super thick. I put like 3 or 4 coats on it. I mean, it really only needed one, but being fiberglass, it can have little pit holes in it in certain spots, so I just kind of laid it in there to fill all that up. I can already tell, just finally having it all in one color, I can already tell several spots I got to work on, but you kind of always run into that with your first prime. But I'm super happy with it. It actually, It actually is a little bit straighter than I thought it was going to be, which I like. But like I said, I do have a couple little spots that are bugging me. It's actually still a little wet right now. I'm a little high because of the fumes. I should definitely have my paint mask on, but that is what it is. I have lots of other videos on this Porsche if you want to check out like the chassis I built for it, or the roll cage, how I did that, or I built the spoiler from scratch. I think I have that on there too. So if you want to look at any of that stuff, just click my other videos and you'll be able to see it. But other than that, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and all that stuff they tell you at the end of videos. And check out some more of my other videos. Peace!